Hello and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. And today we're going to be opening up another RPG crate. So here it is. And let's open this bad boy open and see what we got. I think this is January's, I think. And it is, yes, January 2020. Season 4, Crate 42, Mastery of the Hunt. This is Hobgoblin. Now, we've done one that was called Goblin before. I remember that one. So, let's see what's in here. First, we've got our miniatures sitting right on top. Now, I will show you guys a close-up of this because he is in two pieces, and his sword. Pewter, I'm telling you. No problem with pewter, it's just you gotta be so gentle with it. His sword is bent. And of course I have to assemble his arm. I will show you a close-up of this with it being assembled, of course, in an image somewhere around here, guys. So that's that. Let's put him back in his little baggie. I don't want to lose his arm. Okay. Next we have the t-shirt. And I'm thinking I'm liking this t-shirt already. There we go right there. It is the Dungeon Master's shirt. Yes, I didn't put it on, guys. It's cold in my breezeway and this shirt is just not gonna keep me warm. So I didn't wear it this time, guys, but that's it. Hopefully you guys can see that. That looks pretty good right there. I'm sure that's the right size. Yeah, it's the right size. Okay. Next we have our recipe card. This is the Mastery of the Hunt number 37. And this one is Goblin Hot Chocolate. Interesting. Let's see, 4 cups of milk, 1 cup of chopped white chocolate, 2 tablespoons of matcha powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of salt, or teaspoons of salt, sorry, and fire roasted marshmallows. And then of course it's got the directions on it. But we have our camp, our little quest for, I'm assuming, hobgoblins or goblins of some sort. And I don't know why we would need them, but even though it doesn't call for them in there, but there's a quest for it anyways. Let me move on. Okay, so next we have these are our Monster Lord cards they just started doing. And I'm kind of disappointed in this already, just seeing this. The artwork is beautiful. Okay, you get yourself a little player card, and then here's the big lore. But if I'm correct, when they did the Goblin one, this is the same monster that they used before for the t-shirt, which was really cool, and it was for the Goblin one. The artwork on this is awesome. This is done by Chet Minton. Hope I'm pronouncing your name first and last right there, Chet. So that's that. That takes care of those. Kind of disappointing it's the same artwork that you know, RPGCrate didn't say, hey, I need you to do some new artwork. This is the Hobgoblin one, not Goblin, and that one's more of a Hobgoblin, it looks like. So, but it's kind of disappointing the artwork's the same. So here are our adventures anyways, and these are the Mastery of the Hunt cards. We have our first one, Waylay. There's that one. Nothing fancy on the back, guys, you can see. This one is Kamara's Curse. And this one is the Warlord. So those three. Let's put these over here. And then next we have our adventure book. This is separate from the rest of it. Like always, this is the 5th edition fantasy, The Forgotten Hive. It is 5th edition based. Of course, you can easily convert this to whatever you need to convert it to. It is 24 pages total. It is in black and white, and this is always done by Goblin Games. Let's see if we can find some artwork that's not got to do with maps. There's some artwork right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. I know my lighting's probably not as good as it normally is. I'm out in the breezeway. The lighting in here isn't that great. I gotta change these lights or something, get some new ones. But anyways, guys, I'm over here babbling. Here's some more artwork. Let's see. I'm not really seeing much more. A little bit more. Hopefully that will focus on there so you guys can see it. Okay, I think this will be the last one for now so I can move this video along, guys. There's that one. This is a level 1 adventure modular, so bam, right back to level 1. And then we got a prick and puck foam, nothing special. I've got so much of this. So much of this. This is really cool, but after a while, after doing this for what, 4 seasons, I got a lot of this. And now I'm just starting to kind of pile it up, and I'll probably end up just getting rid of it eventually. Some of it, a lot of it I will keep. It will be useful for my miniatures and everything else. Overall, guys, let's see. We got the t-shirt, we got the monster lore, we got the indicator tracker, we got the Mastery of the Hunt quests, we got the miniature, the recipe card, the Forgotten Hive book, and honestly, guys, this isn't that bad, but I'm going to tell you one thing, I am not happy that you guys are just rehashing your artwork that you've done in previous ones before. That's kind of disappointing and kind of sad. I'm glad it wasn't the same t-shirt, it was a different one at least. But, I mean, come on, man, you should have had chat there come up with some new artwork. I'm sure you could have dished out a little bit of money to pay him for it. But anyways, guys, I'm going to give this one a D. Oh! So that's it, guys. Until next time, and remember to ring that like button like a hunchback. Until next time, guys.